You've been together now for over a year, and you've not been invited to any events with your partner's family. You've spent some time on Thanksgiving and Christmas at your parents' house, but when you asked your partner about their parents, the response was, "It's not a good time." So, now it's fall, and the end of year holidays are rolling around again, and you'd like to get your calendar in order for the festive season. You mentioned the two of you carving out some time to visit both your families together this year, and you received even more pushback this year. The response was, "My parents don't like strangers." You're in shock and upset, but not knowing how to respond. You pick up your cell phone, and as you scroll through Facebook, you realize your partner never engages with anything on your page, and there's no mention of you whatsoever on your partner's page. So, you think to yourself, is this the fork in the road where we go our separate ways? Stashing or pocketing relationships. Whatever term you wish to use, you've just figured out that you're being hidden from your partner's parents and friends. You're being kept out of that inner sanctum, that inner circle, that most precious place that everyone holds in their mind to which few are admitted. So you realize you have no access to their family, no access to their friends. Your dates with your partner occur far away from where your partner lives. Your partner never discusses friends or family. What once seemed wonderful because all the attention was on you and your life with your friends and family now becomes discomforting. And the more you dwell on the topic, the scarier all of this becomes. Your partner's heartwarming reference to you as their hidden gem is now taking a new meaning. You're now seeing yourself as their hidden shame. From your training with the Stoicess, you know not to jump the gun on this one. Instead, you need to take a relaxing stance and begin the conversation with your partner about where they see your relationship is headed. By you both being Christians, you each know the goal for your dating is marriage. This was an important topic the two of you covered and agreed upon during your first date. Thus, your time together is an intentional dating, where you each are deciding if the other is the appropriate person to marry and serve God during your life journey together. So, you tell your partner that tomorrow the two of you need to sit down and discuss how much progress you have made as a couple in the intentional dating process. You'll both also need to cover that territory is still outstanding and what time frame should be set to conquer this remaining territory. And one of the items remaining open is your being introduced to your partner's inner circle and allowed to spend time with them so you can understand your partner better. Also, regarding outstanding items your partner would like to bring to the table, you ask that you receive them by tomorrow morning so you can prepare accordingly. For in following the intentional dating process, you both agreed to interim checkups that either partner could request by giving an overnight notice. Now, using my Stoic storytelling method, my partner won't introduce me to their family. Should I be concerned? That man is great and noble, who like a large wild animal hears unmoved the tiny curs that bark at him. Seneca. Repay no one evil for evil, but give thought to do what is honorable in the sight of all. Apostle Paul. I will not be angry. I realize we agreed to use the process of intentional dating, which requires us to evaluate our relationship on an ongoing basis. The character trait I improved was remaining calm while knowing that this situation will be resolved in our best interest with God's help. Thank you for sharing your mind with me. For your continued success, hear my secret. As the seeds of your relationship are sown, agree with your partner that intentional dating will be your stepping stone. Now relax, control your mind, and be what you wish to seem. Empowered. Remember, it's the situation keeping my connection with Him. I'm Lori Stiff, the Stoicess, and I believe in you. If you like what you mentally now see, join my website to learn and think like me at stoicmatchmaker.com.